found it. I actually found it. Found our little baby's heartbeat. So happy. Can you hear it? 9 weeks and